आप बात करिए.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, it's been more than 1.5 hours. Major opposition is agitating, sitting here. The House is not in order. The government needs to take a decision. Either, they should be given an opportunity, which is their right. If not, the government thinks, no, we will not give them an opportunity. So you bring the House in order by suspending. Either you have the courage to face them, listen to them, or you gather the courage to suspend them. You don't even have the courage to suspend them, nor you want to give them the mic. This is not the way the democracy is run, sir. Sir, I request, sir, please bring the House in order, sir.
आपका बात को हम रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं अकबर साहब.
Sir,
मिनिस्टर.
sir, my good friend, a very seasoned and also learned legislator, Akbar Saab jo bole, we would really appreciate, because today, yesterday, and when we started the proceedings of the Assembly as a new government, our Chief Minister was categorical in stating that we would like to see all the opposition members to take part in the discussion. We don't want to suspend them, and we would like to see them to participate in the discussion. Many a time, we are giving them the opportunity to come and take part in the proceedings. Many times, Honorable Speaker has been giving the opportunity. And my learned friend Akbarji knows everything. My point is, sir, నేను కూడా కోరుతా ఉన్నా మీరు ఈరోజు శాసనసభ మీ ద్వారా కానీ ఈరోజు కూడా యువతకు సంబంధించి యంగ్ unemployed graduate, students who would be graduated for the next couple of decades, వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. ఇప్పటికైనా వారి ఆలోచనలు మానుకొని వస్తారు అని వేచి చూస్తా ఉన్నాం. We want to give them the ample opportunity, maximum opportunity to change their behavior, We don't want them to go out. We want them to be in assembly. No, we are not taking a right. We have already, sir, Akbar Sahab, we would like to give opportunities for everybody. Whatever the Honorable Speaker decides, we would like to go along with it and also would like to cooperate, along with the opposition and the suggestions given by my learned friend Akbaruddin ji also. My point here, sir, even though we are giving, even though we are still expecting, we would like to see them to go back to their places, observe the rules and procedures of the House. We are not afraid. Then why all these people are coming and staging a dharna in front of the podium? Is that the behavior expected from the senior members? We don't want to suspend members, Adhyaksha. We would be proceeding if members are not cooperating. We would not take the right. We are not taking the right of Honorable Akbar Sahab. Akbar Sahab, we are not taking a right. It is their job also. It is their responsibility also to cooperate with the chair. They are not cooperating with the chair. We are cooperating with the chair. Even though we are in the government, these people are not cooperating with the chair. I earnestly, humbly request again the main principal opposition to come and participate in the discussion, to come and participate in the debate. Let's show a wave for the young Telangana people who are waiting for this university to come. It is the greatest initiative, once in a lifetime. Anybody can get this sort of opportunity to present a bill, a skill university like this. And I request the honorable member who has seen 6 to 7 houses over a past 2 decades, when these things takes place, he also knows better. I request your cooperation, and we request your cooperation. Even though our opposition members are not cooperating, I request the honorable member, Owaisi Saab also, to tell them, sir, you please tell them, sir, you please tell them. Yeah, we please tell them to say, go back to their seats. When the opportunity is being given by the Honorable Speaker to them, they can express their views. They can express their opinions. This is what our stand is, sir.